Hello, I'm Leona and I'm here at Tepco Racing. So I've been training at the simulator, the Shanghai track, so that I can memorize how the track looks like. So this is a video clip of me driving the simulator. So the game that I was playing is called Race Room. You can download it to practice the track that you want. So this is what I usually do before going to an unfamiliar track. And with the help of Tepco Racing, Ruben, Matthew and Akina for guiding me how to take the racing lines and where's the best braking points, my time was improved faster and faster in the game. So I'm flying off to Shanghai tomorrow, and this is 1 minute with Leona Chin. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.